Hello, my name's James Whitworth and you're watching TechBaffle. Today we're going to look at this mystery bundle from Amy Jayne Aromas.
TechBaffle. Discover cool stuff.
Now Amy runs an independent business specialising in handmade soy wax melts and other beautifully fragranced goodies. If you love things that smell great, then this one should be for you. So this is a mystery bundle. Each bundle is filled with scents to make your home feel warm, fragrant and welcoming. But don't wait too long because these bundles are limited. So go ahead and check it out at amyjaynearomas.co.uk. I'm especially excited because I have absolutely no idea what's in this bundle. It comes with all these lovely stickers. Amy Jayne Aromas, thank you. No, thank you. Amy Jayne Aromas, sent with love. Oh, I love a good pun, I love a good pun. Thanks a million. Love, Amy. Open me and enjoy the goodies inside. Thank you. Oh, that's a wax melt right there. Please handle with care. Do not crush, bend or fold. Thank you. Now, I've never seen this, so hopefully it's all arrived in one piece because I know what some of these delivery services are like. Fragile, fragile. Let's see what's inside. I'm excited, I'm excited. Wow, that's the fragrance coming out of this packaging. And it's especially for me, with a heart as well. I do appreciate that. Let's only put Let's see what's inside. Now already I can smell the fragrance coming out of this box, so I'm excited. So, thanks a million. Your order truly means the world to me. Handmade with love, big or small, each purchase from my little shop makes my heart so happy. Thank you from the bottom of my heart, it really means the world. AmyJayneAromas.co.uk. I'm sorry, Amy, but you've used the wrong your. So I'm trying to be helpful, I'm not just being an idiot. Oh, we got a little handwritten message. Hi James, thank you so much for your lovely order. I really hope that you enjoy it. Thanks for your support. Love, Amy. I wasn't expecting a handwritten letter, that is very impressive. 10 out of 10 customer service so far. It's really nicely packaged. Look at all this. Oh, wow. Oh my gosh. This is really an experience because it's not just made in a factory by some huge corporation. No, this is actually made by Amy. Like, she makes this. This is so cool. James, beyond grateful. Thank you so much. I can't stress this enough. The fragrance coming out of this box is absolutely crazy. Wax melt care tips. To make the most out of your beautiful wax melts, here's a few tips. So use a burner just for wax melts. Place on a stable heat resistant surface. Never leave unattended. Limit burns to 3 to 4 hours with a 4-hour tea light. Keep away from drafts and anything flammable. Keep out of reach of children and pets. Reuse your wax melts. They'll last for lots of lovely sessions. Sit back, relax and enjoy the magic. So if you've never used wax melts before, it's good that she offers all of those care tips. Oh, I'm excited, I'm excited. Okay, let's move the packing peanuts out the way for a moment. Well, I do like, even the packing peanuts kind of look aesthetically pleasing somehow. Like, a lot of care has been put into this box. Everything's arrived in one piece. It all looks absolutely amazing. I'll actually just zoom in. First off, we have this Amy Jayne Aromas heart. So this is Baywatch. Oh, I see, Baywatch, Baywatch. Good one. Another good pun, I must say. Inside we have, oh wow, that smells amazing. Okay, let's have a look at this. Oh, look at the detail on that. That is so cool. It's got this little texture on the front. That smells so nice. This like smells like cookies. Like, it actually smells, it smells amazing. It's actually making me feel slightly hungry. Next up we have, oh, look at that. Wow. Okay, so these are like little paw prints, but they're actually an odour eliminator because I actually have a dog, so that's actually very handy indeed. Perfect pooch. Very cool, very cool. Yeah, so I like the creativity as well. Like, we've got like a heart, we've got some paw prints going on. That smells like a lovely bath. Like, I don't know how to describe it. It just smells like a lovely, like a nice bubble bath. Look at all the sparkles. Hopefully it's coming out well on camera because in real life that looks awesome. I'm gonna actually struggle to decide which one I want to try first, honestly. So it's starting off really well. So we've got the heart, we've got the paw prints, and next up we have this. This is a doodle bug. Now, these look so cool. Like, let's have a look at this in person. So, doodle bug, eh? Ooh, that smells like really fruity. That's lovely, yeah. Look at that. I love the details as well. Like, every one is handmade and you've got like different textures going on. You've got Oh, you've got little sparkles that reflect all different colours. That's so cool. They're like iridescent, aren't they? Very cool. Next up we have, oh, cherry cola. I might actually zoom out a little bit because it's kind of zoomed in a lot, isn't it? Okay, cherry cola. This seems exciting. Okay, oh, that is actually crazy. Like, that actually is spot on. Like, that smells so good. I love the colour to this. That is incredible. So you've got these sort of blue sparkles in there. But that smells incredible, literally amazing. It smells exactly like cherry cola. I don't know how she does it. Now, I'm glad that I did get this mystery bundle because it's like a big surprise. Morning Meadow. Ooh, okay. Ooh, lovely. Smell like fresh grass and flowers. It just smells so fresh and vibrant. But each of these look absolutely amazing. Like, they all look different, all look different colours going on. So this one here is Hair Infusion Aussie. Oh, so like the shampoo. Oh, I work in B&M, I know this stuff. Oh, I love the colour of this one. This one might be one of my favourite colours. Look at that. It's almost like a gradient going on. You've got like some darker colours, you've got some lighter colours. That actually smells very nice though. Because I don't use Aussie hair products, but it does smell familiar. I probably know it from dropping one of the products on the floor. Shh, don't tell my boss. That smells lovely, 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 lovely. Next up, we have Tropical Paradise. Oh, that's lovely. It almost smells like the ocean. And that's a really weird thing to say, but it smells like being on the beach, like sipping your cocktail. I love a cocktail. Oh, actually, yeah, I think that's what it's reminded me of. It's reminded me of like sipping a lovely fruity cocktail. But yeah, look at that. All of these handmade. Oh, it's absolutely crazy. And finally, we have Frosted Eucalyptus and Woodland Petals. Oh, very nice. Okay. Oh, lovely. Love a bit of eucalyptus. But yeah, that smells very fragrant. Lovely. I love the colour as well. But yeah, absolutely amazing. So if you love your wax melts, then you should really give Amy Jayne Aromas a go because there's such a massive variety of fragrances that she does. Now, the great thing about Amy Jayne Aromas is that she makes these. These are handmade to order, so they are absolutely incredible and they're special. They're not just something from a supermarket, from some boring company that just wants your money. Like, they don't care. But she actually puts the effort into making these products, and that's what makes it special. You're buying from a local business. That's the best bit about it. Oops, put this upside down. Just realised that. We've gone all the way from like one that smells like Aussie hair products to something that smells like cherry cola. I mean, eucalyptus, tropical paradise. We've got such a big variety going on just in this bundle. And if you look on amyjaynearomas.co.uk, you can find so many other fragrances as well, so you're bound to find something that will tickle your pickle. Now, each of these bundles is filled with scents that will make your home feel warm, comforting, and welcoming. But yeah, every box is unique, so what I get won't be necessarily what you get, and that's the fun of it. Like, if I order this again, I'll get something different. So yeah, overall, very impressed with this bundle. I think I definitely got my money's worth and it was all delivered lovely and I can't wait to actually get started. I'm going to start the Perfect Pooch one. I love the smell of this as well. I mean, I love the smell of all of them, but look at that, that is awesome. If you don't already have a wax melt burner, Amy Jayne actually sells them on her website as well. So this one is one I've already got. This one is more of a traditional wax melt burner. You just put a little tea light at the bottom, light it up, and the wax just melts. And it's pretty cool, really. But I've gone for something a little bit more snazzy. This is actually an electronic one, so it uses a halogen bulb, and this one's from Air Pure. So if you want an electronic wax melt burner, check it out down below because this is pretty cool. So what we do is put the wax melt in like so, and then wait for it to emit the fragrance. The good thing about this is that this literally fills the entire room with fragrance. Like, my hands smell amazing. Now, this is a pet odour eliminator, which is quite interesting because I actually have a dog, so this should come in quite handy indeed. Overall, I give the Amy Jayne Aromas Mystery Bundle a TechBaffle rating of 5 out of 5. Amazing fragrances, all handmade, and yeah, you should really give it a go and see what you get in your bundle. If you want to get your own, then check it out at amyjaynearomas.co.uk. If you enjoyed this video, smash the like button. If you want any more of this sort of thing, don't forget to subscribe and ding so you don't miss a thing. I'm on Facebook, X, Instagram, TikTok and Threads. Follow me at TechBaffle. For the latest, head over to techbaffle.com. Thanks for watching and have a baffling day.
TechBaffle. Discover cool stuff. TechBaffle. Discover cool stuff.